Hey guys, for today's lesson, I will teach you how to get one step closer to sounding like a native speaker. We're going to briefly go over esque. So, have you ever said something, but you're not really sure if that thing that you're saying is actually accurate? You just know that it's close enough or within the realm of what you're trying to say? Like, for example, when you're trying to describe to someone about something but you're sort of 90% sure about your description? You see, I was just out walking the other day where I came across two individuals having a conversation, and one of them said to the other something that made me wanted to make this lesson. I wasn't eavesdropping on them or anything, but I heard one of them say, as I passed them, blah 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 blah, heavy metal-esque, blah 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 blah. And that was all I heard basically. They were probably talking about a song or something. But yeah, if you ever want to describe something, for example, if someone asks you to explain it for them and you're not sure it's going to be accurate, then you can use esque to make it clear for the other person without sounding like a know-it-all. Like, oh, how was it? Or, what was Johnny like in person? You could go on and respond, for instance, it was great. It had the Lord of the Rings-esque theme to it. Or, well, he has Matthew McConaughey-esque features. Very handsome. So yeah, I hope this lesson was helpful. Thanks for watching guys. Until next time.